Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we paint Robocop. This will be a quick paint up while I await the arrival of the main models. I start by using chrome from Vallejo for the base coat. I let the chrome dry thoroughly for a day before carrying on, so I started on the base. Gunmetal from Vallejo was dry brushed onto the base. Magic Blue from Army Painter was gently sprayed to add some variation in the metal. Light violet green from Vallejo was mixed with a bit of purple to start with. Turquoise violet was used to tone down some of that violet-purple mix and add that colour shift effect. Satin black was next for the rubber parts.
Dead or alive, you are coming with me.
A dark wash was used in all the recesses and panel lines. Thinner was used to remove excess wash and to stain the armour for a worn, used look. Orcish dermis was used as the base for the face. Next was Salmon Rose, which was then used. Flesh wash next. Gloss was then painted onto the visor.
Come quietly or there will be trouble.
Matte varnish was then painted on the face to dull down the wash. Gunmetal was dry brushed onto the Auto 9.
Come in, officer. You know I don't usually see anyone without an appointment, but in your case, I'll make an exception.
You are under arrest.
Oh? On what charge?
Aiding and abetting a known felon.
Sounds like I'm in a lot of trouble. You better take me in.
I will.